It's on the windy side today, but take a look around. Isn't that just beautiful? It must be allotment 25. In my second video, do you remember I introduced you to my salad patch? But let me show you what's been going on. Have a look at that. See these? Carrots. Quite a few. It's not worked everywhere, but look at that. Hopefully soon we'll have some carrots underneath. Here we have some of the radishes. I believe these are the white radishes, so they're looking quite good. Then we have the spinach. These are looking great. Look at it. Abundance. I think they'll be ready in a few weeks' time. And then if I move across, make sure I don't step on my strawberries. These are some more white radishes. Any idea what these are? They're lettuce. Now I've got some more lettuce over there. These are more white radishes. And then over at the end, let me just hop over this. We've got more radishes, but these are red radishes. Look at that. Looking good. Hopefully we get quite a few. Okay. I'm just going to walk over to the tomato area and I'll show you what's been going on over there. Actually, why don't you join me? See what we got. Look at that. Looking good, isn't it? Let's get a close up. Let's have a look at some of the tomatoes. Look at that. Look at that. Everywhere I look, there's tomatoes. Fantastic. Green fried tomatoes. Nah, I'm gonna wait for them to turn red. Let's have a look at these ones. There's a mixture of variety here. So I think these are, actually I don't really know what they are. Probably cherry tomatoes. Look, there's a red one over there. There's a few more red, a yellow one. Looking really good on the vines. Wow, can't wait to use these. Here I got some. These are beef tomatoes, I believe. Yeah, a few there. A lot more over here. Everywhere I look, there's tomatoes now. OMG, look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? It's the trellis area. It's like walking in the Garden of Eden. Oh wow. Look, these are my patilaus growing up. Hopefully soon they're going to be over there. Look at that. Wow. Awesome. Look at the size of those leaves. A couple of them have managed to get to the other side. These are the broad beans. From there, look, red flowers coming. These ones have climbed right to the top of the trellis. Hopefully they're going to be coming here as well, resting there. What I'll do, I'll take you around to the back of the trellis and I'll show you what's been going on over there. You're going to be amazed. Here we have the cucumber plants. These have just gone so big. Look at them. Well, this one's gone right to the top. Any cucumbers? Oh yeah, here we are. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one there, but these ones are really good size. What's going on here? The second one, baby ones. Hopefully they'll be ready soon. Oh, look at the bottom. What do we have here? Wow. Lovely. Oh, there's another plant. Blimey. This is my melon plant. Look at that. It's going everywhere. I don't see any flowers, so don't really know how this particular one works, but we've got our eye on it. Let me go around the back and I'll show you what's going on with the runner beans from the back. Oh, actually, hang on, let me show you this. We just got this here today from the house. Again, it's something Bilkis was working on. Guess what it is? Any ideas? Nope. Okay. It's a mango plant. Yeah, mango plant. Can you believe it? In the UK. I never thought I'd see that, but well done. Here we have my gooseberry and raspberry plants. They're looking really good. Let me just quickly hop over these plants and get to the back of my trellis. Look at that. That's, wow. And look, have a look at this. Look at the size of this bean. Well, runner beans. Look at that. OMG. There you go. It's quite a few of them. So hopefully they're going to be ready soon. Here we have 2 of my chili plants. They're looking half decent. Do we have any flowers? Oh, actually, hang on. Look at that. There you go. That's getting ready. Oh, well done. Oh, hang on. There we go. Almost missed it. Oh, brilliant. I'm well pleased with these 2. The others are looking good. As you can see, new flowers are popping up everywhere. Last time I took some home, Bilkis cooked them. She stuffed them with something and then covered it in a light batter and shallow fried them. Tasted brilliant. My mate Abdul Shalim, he's asked for some, so what I might do before I go home today, I'll cut a few and I'll drop them off to him. Do we have any? Let me have a look, see if there's any hodus here. Actually, here, one right next to my feet. Look at that. That's a young one. There you go. Oh wow, look, there's another one here. They're all over the place. Look at that. Let's go over to the potato section. As you can see, I think these are almost ready to be dug up. I've been told once the leaf turns yellow or they start dying, that's when they're ready for harvest. So yeah, check these out, guys. Look at these onions. Oh my god, look how tall that is. OMG, what's going on here? I've never seen anything so tall. Wow, brilliant. Quite a few of them here. This one's flowered. That one's getting ready. It's like it's got a mushroom on the top. Got some more onions here. Not as tall as the other ones. These went into the ground slightly later, but nevertheless, look, they're looking good as well. They're all flowering at the top. If I'm being honest with you, I don't really know what that really means when it flowers at the top. I've never seen that before. As far as I know, the onion's underground, and when they're ready, you just pull them out like you do with potatoes. So yeah. So I'm gonna go and cut some flowers from the hodu and get them ready for my mate Shalim. just over there. So I've picked some flowers for Shelim. Here we go. Beautiful. Gift wrapped and everything. Hopefully he and his family can enjoy these as much as we did. I'll be dropping these off to him on the way home today. Thanks for joining me again today. I really appreciate it. If you could continue to show your love and support by giving me a like, share and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, take care, all the best. See you then. Goodbye.